Here we'll look at the same feature with spell, but this time on the tablet, and this is an iPad I'm working with. Now the first thing you'll notice is that it's not called spell, it's called write, but it has very similar functionality. So if we just go to write, click on write, and you can see that straight away it gives me the key term, and in this case I'm asked to give the common word. But I'm going to just show you top right up here how you can change the settings. So by pressing there, it asks me if I want to start with a term, which actually I do. If I want audio, which I might decide I want or not, and I'm going to restart. Okay, so now I've got the term sternum. What is that? That's the breastbone, isn't it? Or did I call it breastplate? Let's have a look. Okay, I've got that correct. Femur. Now I think, I don't know this, so I'm just going to guess. Arm bone. Got it wrong. Okay, so you can see straight away that it came up and it told you that it was incorrect and that you could have another try. If I don't know, again, if I press here on don't know, it will give me the answer, and then I can reinforce that thigh bone. Okay, so femur, thigh bone. Okay, so very, very similar, just a little bit more feedback, slightly different feedback that you get from when you were doing it on the PC, on the web app. I'm just going to work through this and see what feedback we get at the end of the activity. Okay, so I've finished now, and you can see that I've got some feedback straight away, as we had before. 5 unknown, 4 learned, 0 master. That's not brilliant, is it? Okay, so obviously I made some mistakes on purpose just to show how the type of feedback I would get. And that's just a different perspective. That's how the students would use it on their tablet. But you get the same functionality and you get the same benefits in terms of learning, and obviously in this case spelling. Just a little add-on to this before we disappear is that great feedback. If you press any one of those words there in front of you, this is on the tablet obviously, it gives you the pronunciation, it gives you the way in which the word is supposed to be said, so that's really useful. So if I'm going to press on sternum now.
Sternum, femur, scapula.
I'm literally just putting my finger on each one of those words, and you can see that you get the pronunciation as well. So that might be of use to some students, particularly some words which are tricky to spell, tricky to hear as well. Just another useful feature to be aware of.